Hello student, our next topic is surface area of right circular cylinder. Cylinder and its figure you see. Here, if the stack is the kept vertically up, we get is called a right circular cylinder figure. Yes, keep vertically up, right circular cylinder. Not right circular cylinder, whose not right circular. You see a cylinder which is certainly circular but it is not at right angle to the base. So we can say that right circular cylinder, yes, not at the angle to the base, not at the angle, right angle to the base, you see in the figure. So, curved surface area of cylinder is equal to area of the rectangle sheet equal to length multiplication breadth. That is equal to perimeter of the base of the cylinder into h. So, 2 pi r multiplication h. Therefore, curved surface area of cylinder. So now we get finally 2 pi RH. Yes. Therefore, curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. Next is if the top and the bottom of cylinder are to the covered, then we need two circles to do that each of the radius are. Thus, surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi in bracket r plus h. Next, first sum, the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter. Yes, height 14 centimeter each. 88 centimeter square. Yes, 88 centimeter. This is surface area. Find the diameter of the base, the cylinder. Yes, find the diameter. Given that solution is given that height h equal to 14 centimeter, given that h equal to 14 centimeter. If you not understand, then repeat the question 4 to 5 times. Read the question 4 to 5 times. So curved surface area of a right circular cylinder equal to 88 centimeter square. 88 centimeter square. So first we find radius, then after diameter. 88 centimeter square. Next, curved surface area of a right circular cylinder. Yes, I write here, repeat above the topic. Curved surface area of a right circular cylinder equal to 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. Yes, curved surface area of a right circular cylinder. This statement is equal to above statement. So we can write here at the place of this 88 centimeter square. Yes, 88 centimeter square. This is equal to 2 pi RH. Now put the value of 2. So next is put the value of R, H and pi. So 88 equal to 2 multiplication pi multiplication R multiplication H. 88, this is multiplication, is goes to equal to divide. Yes, at the place of pi, 22 divided by 7. So we put 22 divided by 7 at the place of pi. R multiplication h. What is the value of h? Yes, 14 centimeter. So now we get final solution. So R equal to 88 divided by 88 multiplication 7 divided by 2 multiplication 22 multiplication 14. So what is the unit of R? So centimeter square. Yes, centimeter square divided by centimeter. Yes, because here 14 centimeter. So centimeter square divided by centimeter. So centimeter multiplication centimeter. Yes, because centimeter square. So I can write here centimeter multiplication centimeter. So divided by centimeter. So R equal to 1 centimeter. Now diameter. Now diameter equal to 2 into radius. 2 into radius. Yes, radius. Diameter equal to 2 into radius. Into R for radius, D for D means diameter. So D equal to 2 centimeter. So D equal to 2 centimeter. Yes. Hence, base diameter of the cylinder equal to 2 centimeter. That is your final answer. Next. Hence, base diameter of the cylinder 2 centimeter. Question second. A metal pipe. Concentrate your full mind. Listen. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. Yes, 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter. Yes, inner. The cross section 4 centimeter. The outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. Yes, 4.4 centimeter. Find its three parts. First is inner curved surface area, and second is outer curved surface area, and third is total surface area. This first, second, and third. Yes, I draw here. You see in figure, you draw I. In your notebook, you can draw your notebook. Yes, so I write I draw here only two circle. You see, yes. So this radius, diameter, this radius, yes, this radius. So inner parts radius in bracket R. Yes. Now outer parts of radius capital R. We suppose inner parts area small r and outer parts radius capital R. Now solution. Here h equal to 77 centimeter. Yes. So I write first radius. Yes, outer with the help of outer diameter. So R equal to 2.2 centimeter. Yes, 2.2 centimeter. Now inner diameter small d, outer diameter capital D, and inner diameter small d. We suppose 4 centimeter. Yes, and here capital D 4 centimeter. So inner radius small r. Yes, inner radius small r 2 centimeter. finally we obtain first inner curved surface area. Inner curved surface area. Yes. Curved surface area equal to 2 pi RH. Yes, 2 pi RH for inner, small RH. So put the value of at the place of pi, 22 divided by 7 multiplication. What is the value of small r? 2 centimeter multiplication h. Yes, 77 centimeter long. That is long. Long means we remind this long is height. This see in the figure. U. Yes, height. So put the value of all 2 into multiplication 11, 22. So 2 into 22, 44 multiplication 22 equal to 968 centimeter square. Yes, 968 centimeter square. Yes, area. Second, outer curved surface area equal to 2 pi capital RH. Yes, capital RH, because outer curved surface area. Yes, outer. So I put the value and final we get solution 1064. Yes, 1064.80 centimeter square. 1064.80 centimeter square. Yes, capital R 2.2. Now third is total surface area of pipe. Yes, total surface area of pipe. So we find first we sum inner parts plus outer part plus, yes, just you remind your mind what we write here, area. Yes, remind your mind 2 pi small rh plus 2 pi capital RH plus, yes, what do we write here? Yes, total for total. So plus, yes, area of 2 base ring. Yes, area of 2 base ring. Yes, area of 2 base ring plus 2 pi capital R square minus small r square. See figure. 2 base ring. Put the value and capital R 2.2 whole square minus 2 whole square. So you get final answer 2038.08 centimeter square. 2038.08 centimeter square. Next is curved surface area. Yes, our next sums curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 4.4 centimeter square if the radius of the base of the cylinder is 0.7 meter. Yes, 0.7. Find the height. Yes, find the height. So given that, if you not understand, then read question and remind your mind 4 to 5 times. 4 to 5 times repeat this question and understanding how we can calculate. And first what we write at the our notebook, curved surface area of a right circular equal to curved surface area of a right circular equal to 4.4 meter square. So r equal to 0.7 meter. R equal to 0.7 meter. So and final H question mark. Now curved surface area of the cylinder. Yes. Now curved surface area of the cylinder. Yes. curved surface area of the cylinder equal to 2 pi small rh. Yes. So what is the value of curved surface area of the cylinder? 4.4 meter. Yes, very good. 4.4 meter. Put the at the place. Put the value of at the place 4.4 meter square. Sorry, meter square equal to 2 into 22 divided by multiplication. 0.7 means 7 divided by 10. So 10 cancel out. So we get final answer h. 2 multiplication 22 is 2 times 2 to 1 time. So h equal to 1 meter. Yes, this meter se meter cancel out. So the height of the cylinder is 1 meter. Yes. Now our next question is find the lateral or curved surface area of closed cylinder. Yes, closed cylinder petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meter is diameter and 4.5 meter height. Second is how much steel was actually used. If 1 out of 12 of the steel actually used was in the making the tank. Yes, steel was actually used 1 out of 12 parts. Yes, 1 out of 12. Closed cylinder, lateral or curved surface area, storage tank and 4.2 meter diameter storage tank. Given that D, given that 4.2 meter. Yes, so R equal to D divided by 2. Yes, 4.2 divided by 2. So R equal to 2.1 meter. Yes, R equal to 2.1 meter. Now, first is curved surface area of the storage tank. Yes, curved surface area of the storage tank equal to 2 pi small rh. 2 pi small rh. Put the value of r and h. So yes, 7. So calculate 4.5. 4. Yes, 7 3 ja 21. 2 1 ja 2. 2 5 ja 10. Now 5 9 ja yes 45. Now 22 multiplication 3 remaining parts. Yes, remaining parts 22 multiplication 3 multiplication 9 divided by 10. So 22 multiplication 3 equal to 66 multiplication 9 divided by 10. So now we get final answer 59.4 meter square. Second, total surface area of tank. Total surface area of the tank 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square. Or you can write this term. Yes, put the value 4.5 plus 2.1 meter square. So you can write this term 2 pi, you take outside in bracket h plus r. Yes, 2 pi r outside in bracket h plus r, bracket close. This term r h plus r 4.5 plus 2.1 meter square. So now we get final answer 87.12 meter square. 87.12 meter square. Let the actual area of steel used be x meter. Yes, suppose the actual area of the steel used be x meter square. Yes. but here you see 1 out of 12 parts. So area of the steel wastage, yes, area of the steel wastage 1 upon 12 of x meter square. So of means multiplication x square. So x divided by 12 meter square. This equation number 1. Next is area of the steel used. Area of the steel used in the tank. So total area x minus, yes, total area x minus x upon 12 bracket meter square. So minus 12 multiplication x minus x upon 12. Yes. So 12x minus x equal to 11x. The area is still used in the tank. Yes. Total surface area 87. 87 is equal to 11 by 12x. Yes, 87.12. So I write here 87.12 equal to 11 by 12x meter square. 87.12 equal to x 11 by 12 x meter square. So you calculate easily. Final answer 95.04 meter square. Next question is 5. Yes. In the figure you see the frame of a lampshade. It is to be covered with a decoration of a cloth. The frame has be base the diameter 20 centimeter and the height of 30 centimeter, a margin of 2.5 centimeter. It is the given for folding over top and bottom of the frame. Find the how much cloth is required for covering the lampshade. Yes, repeat question in your mind 4 to 5 times, then you understand. And I draw here the figure. Yes, this is 25. So circumference of the base of the frame equal to 2 pi r. Yes, circumference. So height of the cloth is needed for covering the frame. Yes, 30 centimeter plus 2.5 centimeter and plus 2.5 centimeter. That is called h, means height. 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 is equal to 35 centimeter. Also the breadth of the cloth equal to circumference of the base of the frame. Yes, both are equal. That is are equal to area of the cloth. Yes, area of the cloth required for covering the lampshade. Yes, so area of the cloth required for covering the lampshade. And said equal to length into breadth. You see in the figure 35 multiplication 20 pi. Yes, this is length into breadth. That is called, here we calculate at the, we take height h. So 35 multiplication 20 pi. 35 multiplication 20 at the place of pi, 22 divided by 7 centimeter square. So 7 5 ja 35, 5 into 20 100 multiplication 22, 2200 centimeter square. Thanks for watching. See part 5.